still, yo.
Man, you see, he is a native of Dabadee. In Dabadee, all the natives you see, they like roast pork and rice and peas. Knowing my husband likes rice and peas, and I'm a woman who loves to please, so I decided to cook him some before my horses begin to run.
Chinese rum? Oh, on a run!
I put the peas in the pot to cook. Get the papers to take a look to see the odds that they give away. My favorite horse was running that bit. Running that bit.